I have another question. Like usually लोग ना compare कर रहे होते हैं traditional courses से और YouTube के tutorial से कि there are so much material available at YouTube. So why should we buy a course to learn Google Ads? However कि वहाँ पर YouTube पर फ्री अवेलेबल है। तो आप इसको किस तरह से डिफरेंशिएट करती हैं कि आपने कोर्स क्यों बाय किया जबकि YouTube पर मटेरियल भरा पड़ा हुआ है रिलेटेड टू गूगल एंड यूट्यूब एड्स? I mean, what is the difference between learning from YouTube and learning from a mentor?
This is the myth that people don't understand. But I believe कि I had an experience as well कि YouTube में material जो भी uploaded है that is not up to dated. And if you see the uploaded time as well, so 3 years ago, 2 years ago, 6 months back, etc. And those people who have uploaded recently as well, they also have not uploaded the thing which is required in the market. So all the guys who are watching me, just believe my words कि that is not up to the mark, that is not up to the standards of the market. That is quite outdated thing. तो जो भी आपको YouTube ऑफर कर रहा है, that is just to get basic knowledge. तो अगर if you want some advanced kind of knowledge, you have to pay. This is your investment in yourself. So if you don't want to invest in yourself, then that is your fault,
Okay.
I must.
Yeah, 100%. 100. I agree with it. And this is something that I really response to those people who ask me this question. And the most, I mean, like the cherry on the top is this, like if you learn from a mentor, you get real help. I mean, live help. If you have any questions, so you can ask him or her directly. But from the YouTube, those sorts of help usually are not available, right? Because
Yes, that is.
definitely you have not pay anything to them, so they are not available to answer your question as well.